Zayna, Ziana, whatever your name is, girl, come through. You came through. You came through for sis.
Why you make it so complicated? Off the drain, we concentrating.
Hello, my beautiful, beautiful people. My name is Deja. This is my channel, Forever Deja. And today I'm going to be doing a review and basically kind of like an unboxing. Not really an unboxing because I already opened it. But I got a new wig today. I got a few new wigs, but I'm only going to do one. I got this wig. I ordered it on Ebony Line. Okay, so I was talking about the pricing for this unit that I got. It's a half wig. It's called Ziana. I believe it's called Ziana. I paid $16.95 for it. I got it in the color T1B/BG, which I believe is burgundy. I ordered this hair on... It's weird. It doesn't tell me when I ordered it. But I probably ordered it, I think I ordered it on last Friday. Today is Thursday. So, or I ordered it on Saturday over the weekend. But it got here very quick, and I only paid $4.99 for shipping because they had a promo code that I entered. I will put the promo code in the description. Hopefully it's still valid. But anyways, let's go on ahead and get into this wig. Yeah, what do you say? So this is the wig. It's red. She's pretty. She's cute. This is what it looks like on the model. This is the tag card. Excuse my nails. And she cute. She cute. It's an instant weave, one of those 60-second styles by Sensational. The Sensational wig. This is a Sensational wig. Those are the colors that they have. These are the other colors that they have. I got the first one, as you can see. So I'm gonna take this off, and then I'm gonna pop it on my head and undo my braids and see what we looking like. I hope this will look cute, cause tomorrow I'm going to a Cat Williams concert out here in the beautiful LA. The construction of the cap is there is a long comb in the front. There is a comb in the back. And it has adjustable straps. Now, I have a small head, so a lot of times when I go to like the beauty supply store, I get disappointed because I buy these wigs and some of them, majority of them, don't be having adjustable straps, and it frustrates me because my head is small and I'm just like, dang man, I got this wig, like, shoot, don't let the wind blow too hard. Like, that's why I be getting these half wigs, because I like a quick style, quick and easy, but I also like to have my hair out, you know, so that I can maintain it, grease my scalp and whatnot. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig on and I'll be right back. Or you will see. This is cute in itself, like just on my head. But like, of course, you know, that part looks a little funny, so we ain't gonna leave it like that. We ain't gonna be funny style like that. But this is her on my head. She's looking real cute, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and take this braid out and see what we're looking like. So of course what we're gonna need to do is pull some hair into this area right here to cover that up. I'm just gonna proof that up right there. Okay, so this is the wig. I really like it so far. I'm digging it. Like, I like this. I can do this. I feel like this color looks really nice on me. Let me see if there's any other styles I could do this hair in. Okay, so it's looking cute. I can style it up like this. Put in a little ponytail like that. That is very cute. And of course, you know, the first one that I did, which is just the, you know, hair brushed to the side look. Okay, so I gotta say, this, I am blown away. This wig is everything. Yo, I mean everything. Like, she is everything. Like, so yeah, I'm gonna turn around so you can see the back. So you can see the back and how it's falling on me. I'm 4'8", so I'm pretty short, you know. So this is what it's looking like. Okay, so cons about this hair so far. I just got it, you know. I don't really have anything bad to say. I guess the only thing that I could say is that when you're flipping it, you know, to and fro, it's gonna get tangled a little bit. But that's common, you know, that happens. Another con about this is the smell. I noticed that all wigs smell like this. It smells like the universal wig, the universal synthetic wig. It smells like that. This is a synthetic wig. Yeah, it's $16. But yeah, it smells kind of like I don't know how to describe it. It just doesn't smell too good. Like, I think that I'm gonna put some like dry shampoo or something on it. I'm scared to wash it, honestly. I don't want to wash it because it's synthetic. And you never know with synthetic hair, you know, when you change it up. That's why whenever I get my synthetic wigs, I don't do anything to them. Like, I don't flat iron them. If I want straight hair, then I'm going to buy straight hair. If I want curly hair, then I'm going to get curly hair. I'm not going to manipulate the pattern, because then after that, what are you going to do? You got to buy another wig, right? So that's why I don't like to mess with it. But it does definitely have a smell. I'm gonna try and figure out how to get rid of the smell. More than likely, like I said, dry shampoo. And yeah, so I think that's it. As far as shedding, I'm gonna run my fingers through. I got this much hair. I don't think you can see it because it's barely anything. It's like a strand. Come on, that's nothing. It's nothing. Bada bing, bada boom. Bada bing, bada boom. So, I'm definitely wearing this wig to the Cat Williams concert. Girl, I'm sitting in the front. He ain't finna make fun of me today. No, ma'am. No, he's not. So, yeah. So, those are the cons. The pros, look at her. Look. What do I need to say, huh? What you need to hear from me, huh? What you need to hear from me? All you need to hear from me is check the description down below for the link to go buy your hair. It's only $16. I don't know who calling me. It's only $16. It's like, this is a steal. Honestly, it's a steal. It's so cute. I want to get another one. I think I'm gonna get another one in a different color. Tell me what y'all think. Like it. Let me know if you like it. Like it. Do you like it or you like it? Like it. Let me know what y'all think about this. I'm feeling this hair. Let's see what else. If you're interested in this look right here, you know what I'm saying? This is a Morphe palette. I have 2 Morphe palettes that I use to achieve this look. So if you're interested in finding out about this look, go ahead and leave me a comment down below and let me know. Yeah. shoot, I look good today. I mean, I didn't put no highlight on, but still, you know what I'm saying, I look nice. And then if you guys could just leave comments down below and let me know what kind of videos you want to see from me. I am a new YouTuber, so this is new for me, but I really enjoy it. I really enjoy editing my videos. It's really fun to see what, you know, you come out with at the end. So yeah, this is something that I really enjoy, and I hope that I'm able to keep it up. Let's see what else. My baby in the background crying. I got a friend that always, like, whenever I'm talking to her, she'd be like, yo, baby crying, just to mess with me. Shout out to you, girl, you know who you are. But yeah, so I will do an update review on this in maybe like a week or two, because I really like this hair, so I'm probably going to be wearing it very often. Yeah, so like I said, the links will be in the description down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit me up if you want to see this look. And yeah, follow me on my social media. My Instagram name is forever_Deja. I can't remember if it's 2 underscores or 1 underscore. I'll put it in here, you'll see it. Yeah, I don't currently have Snapchat. I'm thinking about getting it. I think I will get it. Alright, y'all, so thanks for watching my video. Come back. See y'all later. Bye.